What is Node.js and how does it differ from other server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? Node.js is a runtime environment which uses JavaScript to be executed in a server side, and it differs from Apache or PHP in the cases like concurrency model, performance, and long ways. Node.js uses JavaScript on both client side and server side, or else PHP or Apache uses JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and Node.js has fastest performance when compared to Apache or PHP. Node.js uses single thread, or else Apache or PHP uses multi-threaded. What is a callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? Callback function is a function which presents in another function when it invokes inside of outer function for performing a basic action or a specific action, and callback functions are used to perform or operate on asynchronous programming. Since Node.js works on the asynchronous properties, and when a asynchronous program is completed, callback function is used to handle the result. What is the purpose of the package.json file in a Node.js project? Can you explain the key properties found in this file? Package.json file is a metadata in a Node.js project, and it uses for developing the projects as well as dependencies. The main key properties found in this file are name, author, license, description, dependencies, scripts, their dependencies. Name means name describes about the name of the project, license of the project, and the author of the project. Dependencies describes about an object specifying the package in the development and in the production. Their dependencies means an object specifying in the product in the testing as well as in the development. Scripts are used for running the various tasks. Explain the difference between require and import statements in Node.js, and when and why would we use one over the other. Require and import statements are used in Node.js for importing the modules. Require statement is used for older projects or the projects which deals with the many users or many statements. Whether import statements are used for new projects and latest versions. Require is used when the project have not been converted into ES6 modules. Import statements are used in the projects which have been converted into the ES6 modules. What is middleware in the context of Express.js? Can you give an example of how do you use middleware in an Express application? Middleware function is a function which is used to access the request object, response object, and the next of the Express application. And let us see some example. Let us take some constant middleware having the function consists of request, response, and next. And the function consists of a console.log statement. This is middleware. And then next we use next function. What is RESTful API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs. RESTful API means Representation State Transfer API. It is used for networked architected applications, and it is used for performing on CRUD operations. Explain the main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs. Get, post, put, and delete are the main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs. Get method is used to getting the information from the server. Post means posting the information into the server. Put means updating the data in the server. And deleting the data in the server. What is the purpose of the node package manager and how do you use it? It to manage dependencies in a Node.js project. npm is a package manager in a Node.js project which is used for install, download the packages which are used for the project as well as dependencies. And we are using manage dependencies in a Node.js project to install a package and save it as dependency, and to install a package and save it as a developer dependency, to install all the listed packages in a single package.json, to uninstall the package. Why is it important to hash passwords in a web application? It is very important to use hash password in a web application to provide security, to give protection against attackers, and using salted hashes. Salted hashes gives a double layer protection for the users, and by using hash passwords, we cannot see or we cannot give passwords to anyone, and this is the importance to use hash passwords in a web application. Thank you.